If you're considering BambooHR, there are a few things you should know before making your purchase. While it's one of the top HR management solutions out there, it's important to understand how it stacks up against competitors and if it really meets your needs. The first thing to know is that BambooHR shines when it comes to employee self-service. This allows employees to update their information, request time off, and access important documents on their own. It saves HR teams a lot of time and effort, but compared to something like Gusto, BambooHR is a bit lacking in payroll features. So, if payroll is a big focus for you, BambooHR may not be the best fit. Next, BambooHR offers strong reporting and analytics capabilities. You can easily track key metrics like turnover rates and employee performance. However, some users feel that its reporting options aren't as robust as those offered by competitors like Workday, which provides more in-depth customization for reports. If you need more detailed insights into your workforce, that might be something to consider. The third thing BambooHR excels at is its intuitive interface. Unlike some competitors, BambooHR's dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, even for users with limited technical experience. It's simple to find what you need and manage all your HR tasks without getting lost in complicated menus. On the flip side, platforms like ADP Workforce now have more complex systems that might give you more functionality, but require a longer learning curve. The fourth thing is BambooHR's employee performance management features. It allows you to set goals, track progress, and provide feedback. However, it doesn't offer the same level of customization as tools like Lattice, which specializes in performance management and feedback. If performance tracking is your main focus, BambooHR might fall short. Next, BambooHR integrates well with a variety of other business tools, including time tracking software, benefits management systems, and more. This makes it a versatile option, but again, its integrations are not as comprehensive as those found in other platforms like Zenefits, which provide a more extensive ecosystem of tools to sync with. The sixth thing to consider is BambooHR's mobile app. It offers a decent mobile experience, allowing employees to request time off, check benefits, and update their personal info on the go. However, the app is not as polished as others in the market, like the one from Gusto, which has more advanced mobile features for HR teams and employees. Next, BambooHR's customer support gets good reviews, with 24/7 availability through phone, chat, and email. But if you're looking for instant, personalized help, it may not be as responsive as competitors like Zoho People, which offers more live support options and quicker response times. The eighth thing to mention is its pricing. BambooHR is considered mid-tier compared to other HR solutions, and while it's reasonably priced for the features it offers, it's still more expensive than basic alternatives like Rippling, which includes more robust payroll and benefits management at a lower cost. Next, BambooHR allows you to manage document storage and e-signatures, which is a huge time saver for HR departments. It might not have the advanced document management tools that you'd find in a more enterprise-level system like Workday, but it's perfectly functional for small to medium-sized businesses. The 10th thing is that BambooHR helps streamline the hiring process with its applicant tracking system, ATS. It simplifies recruiting and job postings, but when compared to systems like Lever, BambooHR's ATS isn't as feature-rich or customizable. If you need more advanced recruiting capabilities, BambooHR might not provide everything you need. The 11th thing to keep in mind is BambooHR's employee benefits management tools. While it does allow for tracking and enrollment, it's not as comprehensive as systems like Zenefits, which offers a deeper set of tools for managing health, wellness, and other employee benefits. And finally, BambooHR is often praised for its scalability. As your company grows, BambooHR can grow with you, offering more features as needed. But if your business has very specific or complex HR needs, you may find that larger platforms like SAP SuccessFactors provide a more tailored experience. All things considered, BambooHR is a solid option for many small to medium-sized businesses looking for HR management software. But if you're searching for something with more advanced payroll, performance tracking, or recruiting tools, check out our recommended solution. It's one that you can try for free and may just be the